All right, guys. Today is day 9. Like we're counting down, not up. So you have 9 days left starting today. And May 14th is your last day to submit any work that you might have. That's next Thursday. So you have one more week to finish the work. Today, we're just working on some easy stuff range, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, that kind of thing, min, max. And so if I have a list of numbers, the minimum is going to be your first number in the list. So you want to take your numbers and put them in all in order, like I did here. Once they're in order, your minimum is going to be the one that happens first. Your lower quartile would be in the middle of the median and the minimum. So your median is the one that's smack in the middle. Your maximum is going to be the one that's the highest. It's the biggest one. So minimum first, maximum last, medians in the middle. The number in the middle of the median and the minimum is your lower quartile. And the number in the middle of the median and the maximum is your upper quartile. Now, we've covered this before. It's not a big deal. But once again, I've got the minimum, I've got the maximum. The number in the middle of those is the median, right? So then I take the median to the minimum. Whatever number's in the middle of those is your lower quartile. From the median to the maximum, whatever number's in the middle of those is your upper quartile. And that's it. That's what we're asking for you on your quiz. I've got a couple cues on there. And all we're saying is if you don't have any quarters, if you're just starting out, you have the 0 quartile or the initial quartile. The first one would be Q1. So the first quartile is your lower quartile. It would be an 8 in this case. Your second quartile, Q2, is actually the same as the median. So your median is Q2. Your upper quartile is going to be Q3. And your maximum would be Q4, because if you had $4, you'd have a full dollar. 50 cents, halfway would be 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 75 cents, or 75%. The information would be your upper quartile. And down here at the bottom, I'm just noting that your range is going to be the maximum minus the minimum. And you've got Q4 minus your initial quartile, or Q4 minus Q0, which in this case ends up being 28, 32 minus 4. All right, easy stuff. And if you have any questions, put it down in the doobly-doo. I'll be here all morning. I've already got the Google Meet up and running, so you're welcome to join me there. And if you have any other questions, I did get a couple emails last night, so I'm going to address those here momentarily. And hey, go team and stuff. Rock and roll. Embrace the magic.